Hello everyone, Namaste. When you are in a romantic relationship with someone, then if you are taking their best interest and making it a part of your best interest, and the other person is doing the same to you, that means they are taking your best interest and making it a part of their best interest. In such a situation, authentic love is there. It includes understanding each other's beliefs about this world and all aspects of life. What is important to the other person? What are other person's life goals? And all this leading to a companionship. And the primary priority in this is closeness. Because this closeness leads to a feeling of belongingness to the other person. Both of you feel close, feel belong to each other. And when a person is making other person's interest as a part of themselves, then that is leading to a feeling of security for that other person. This is what authentic love is. But in society, what happens is people think that if the other person loves me truly, unconditionally, authentically, then it means that no matter what I do to him or her, good or bad, the other person needs to stay connected to me, needs to love me, and if they are doing that, then only they love me unconditionally. This is a wrong or distorted definition of love, which most of the people follow knowingly and unknowingly. I mean knowingly or unknowingly. This is not the definition of love. This is not love. You can write down in the comment section how you found this video, how you liked this video, and you can visit my website theaditigupta.com, theaditigupta.com. I pray to this universe that it keeps you happy, healthy, prosperous, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. This is Aditi Gupta, life and business coach and strategist, signing off. Thank you.